Hi everyone! As cash buyer investors in San Diego, it's essential to understand the reality of home renovations. Now in this video, we will give you the valuable insights into the challenges, considerations, and rewards associated with home renovations. Thanks for watching today. Cost and budget. Home renovations come with unexpected costs and budgetary challenges. Now, while it's important to set a budget before starting a renovation project, it's equally crucial to have contingency funds to account for unforeseen expenses. Factors like structural issues, permits, material costs, contractor fees can impact your budget significantly. Now, let's talk about time and project delays. Home renovations require careful planning and realistic timelines. It's essential to understand that unexpected delays are common in renovation projects. Issues such as permit approvals, supply chain disruptions, or unforeseen complications can cause delays. Now, as a cash buyer investor, it's important to consider the potential impact of project delays on your investment strategy and timeline. Now, you will want to hire the right professionals. Working with reliable and skilled professionals is crucial for successful home renovations. Now, whether it's hiring architects, contractors, or interior designers, take the time to research and choose reputable individuals or companies. Request references, review portfolios, and ensure they are licensed and insured. Clear communication and mutual understanding of project goals are key to a smooth renovation process. Now, there's always building permits and regulations. Now, renovation projects often require building permits and must comply with local regulations and codes. It's important to research and understand the permitting process in San Diego. Failing to obtain the necessary permits can lead to costly fines and potential legal issues. Now, ensure that your renovation plans align with zoning regulations. Obtain all required permits. Now, there are always unforeseen issues and challenges. Renovation projects can uncover unexpected issues that may require additional time and money to resolve. Hidden structural damage, outdated electrical or plumbing systems, termites are common issues that may arise during the renovation process. It's important to be prepared for such challenges and have contingency plans in place. Now, have value and return on investment. Consider the potential return on investment, or the ROI, when undertaking home renovations. Now, not all renovations yield a high ROI, and it's essential to evaluate which upgrades will add value to the property. Factors such as location, market demand, and buyer preferences should be considered when determining which renovations will offer the best return. Now, there is emotional and physical stress involved here. Now, home renovations can be emotionally and physically demanding. It's important to prepare for the stress and disruption that comes with living in a construction zone. Make contingency plans or temporary accommodations if needed, and be prepared for the noise, the dust, and inconvenience that can accompany the renovation process. Now, there are rewards and investment potential. Despite the challenges, home renovations can be highly rewarding and offer excellent investment potential. Renovating a property allows you to customize your desired specifications, improve functionality, and potentially increase its market value. Well-executed renovations can attract higher quality tenants or fetch a higher resale price, maximizing your investment return. Now, understanding the reality of homeowner renovations is vital for cash buyer investors in San Diego. Now, by acknowledging the challenges, considering the finances and time commitments, and hiring the right professionals, you can navigate the renovation process successfully. Assess the potential return on investment, comply with regulations, and be prepared for unforeseen issues. With careful planning and realistic expectations, home renovations can be rewarding and profitable. However, if home renovations seem like a daunting task and you do not have the financial resources or time, consider Trusted House Buyers. We are simply a phone call away to walk you through the process. Our phone number is 619-786-0973. Thanks for watching.